See, that's not good enough.
You want to be closer, yeah?
Look, it's tiny.
I want to see the landing gear going up.
Yeah, but still,
That side of the airport.
it's gone already.
Those clouds are low, aren't they? Look at the lines that's cut through the clouds.
Yeah, oh, brilliant. I love planes.
Is that another B8?
No, it's a, oh, I don't know.
Gears up already. That now the gears are going up. It's already on the turn a bit.
I know. And in the clouds. Yeah. There it is.
Seeing the clouds over there, light between the trees.
There it is. It's quite big. Did you see what it said?
No.
It's like Muscat or something.
I want to see them on a clear blue day when it's nice and warm.
Yeah.
Say, for example, you or Nariko or someone or Georgia was going on I knew what plane she was on.
Yeah.
I'd like to be here. Look out, please look out of the left side of the plane,
Yeah.
and I'll wave to you,
Yeah.
and you can see me.
There it is.
That was a noisy one.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good. Ah, see it now? Oh, that's actually gigantic. Wow, look at that. Get out the car for that. Oh, wow. Oh, it made me shudder because it was kind of scary. Wow. That is quite big, actually.